Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to check your SSD health and temperature in settings in Windows 11 guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it up. On left side you just need to select system. On right side scroll down guys. Just want to go to storage. Storage, click on it. In here storage management, scroll down guys. Here advanced storage setting, click on it. In here scroll down little bit. Disk volumes, you just want to click on it. Disk volumes. In here you just want to select your USD drive in your system guys. I'm in a virtual machine, that's why I'm getting VMware virtual NVMe disk. You just want to go to properties. In here your disk will be shown here guys. This page is every information of your disk will be shown here, and scroll down a little bit more and here is the option guys, drive health. Here is temperature given here, your disk temperature and estimated remaining life of your disk also shown here guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.